Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So, in this video I will show you two ways of how you can enter the recovery mode, but before you do that, I want you to know how to access your BitLocker recovery keys, because devices oftenly get stuck in recovery mode because of BitLocker, and in case BitLocker locks your computer because you triggered something you didn't know you didn't have to, you'll have to enter the BitLocker recovery key, or your device will be locked until you enter it. And the only way to unlock your device in such case would be to perform a Windows reinstallation. So first of all, let me switch to a different device on which I'm gonna show you how to access your recovery keys. So open your web browser, open a search engine and look for the aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Now use this path to in your path field, in the path field of your browser, enter it, then sign into your Microsoft account. Here enter the email address or phone number, then click next, then enter your password and click next again. And right here, after that, you'll have to confirm your identity by receiving a code and entering it on the following page. You can either receive a code on your email or your phone, depending on whether you have, depending on your settings on your Microsoft settings. So click this icon right here and then enter the code that you received on your phone or email into the following field. Okay, and then you can choose whether you want to stay signed in or not. I'm gonna click no, and on the following page you will see a table with your recovery keys, and in this table you will see 5 different columns. Of course, the most important one is the recovery key column. In this column you'll find the recovery keys for each of your devices, and it's right here in the middle. And if you want to know which recovery key matches your device, you can either check the device name. If you know your device, the device name of your laptop, then you can find the recovery key that matches your device name. Otherwise, you can remember when you set up your Windows for the first time on this laptop, or for the last time rather on this laptop, and check the key upload date and find the matching recovery key to it. But if you don't know either of these, then just find the key ID, which you don't know for now. But once your device gets locked by BitLocker, you will see this key ID, and using this key ID you will easily find the matching recovery key, and then just enter this recovery key into the fields which appear once BitLocker locks your device. So that's what you need to know. Now I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on the laptop itself. So if you have access to your operational system, you can access the recovery mode by pressing the start button, go into power options, then pressing and holding down the right shift button, click restart, and keep holding the right shift button until your device starts rebooting and you see the please wait sign under the Acer logo. Okay, right now we can remove the button and wait until the device boots into the recovery mode. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully booted up into the recovery mode. Here we can choose any of these options: troubleshoot, advanced options. For now, what I'm gonna do is turn off this PC in order to show you the second method of how you can enter the recovery mode. So turn off this PC, and then what you have to do if you cannot access the recovery mode the first way I showed you, simply press the power button to turn your PC on, and then while it starts booting up, press and hold the power button once again to turn it off. Then repeat the process, so turn your device back on, and while it's booting up, press the power button once again and hold it until your device turns off. And for the third time, just turn your device on and you should see this preparing automatic repair sign under your ACER logo. But if you don't see it, just repeat the process again. Okay, and right now let's wait for a while. As you can see, PC is being diagnosed, and in a moment will be redirected to the recovery mode, or maybe will get locked by BitLocker, who knows. Okay, here go to advanced options, and this way you will enter the recovery mode. Okay, so right now let's go to troubleshoot, startup settings, restart. Let's restart the laptop and see if anything happens, anything bad. Nope, it's just startup settings. Okay, so as you can see, the BitLocker wasn't triggered, but in case it gets, you already know what you have to do. So that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.